Ladies and gentlemen,
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Very
good
good
morning,
morning, sir.
all.
Good morning,
my,
sir.
my, my colleagues, my younger colleagues, my students, even there are some would-be students who will be working with me in 2022. Even I welcome you all to my deliberation. So let me start like this. Imagine you all are the students of Plus 2 Commerce, and this is first class. First class in Plus 2 Commerce class. Now I am the commerce teacher. What I do? I go to the blackboard and write, the business of all business is a business only. What is the meaning? I will ask the students. The students have to explain me what is meant by the business of all business is a business only. The business of all business is a business only. What is that? That means whatever business you do, that must be sustainable as well as profitable. Some profit must be there, and that you can repeat it also, it must be sustainable. That is the meaning I tell a student of science now. Now, why I wanted with my colleague Dr. C.R. Sahu that we will have a webinar on tricks and techniques of quick publications. Look, dear friends, if you go to research, whatever work you do, you must publish it or you will be perishing as a researcher. You will be eliminated in the whole process of research publications and need of the administration and need of the career of a young student, even old professors, even developing professors even. Unless you publish, you perish. No publication, no work. You cannot prove that you worked. So what to do? How to publish them? You must have several tricks in hand. The first trick is, I ask while taking students for research scholarship, ask, do you know English? They tell yes. Actually, do we know English? I will tell you no. Because English we know just to manage things. Because you are students of science research, we must know the perfect way of writing a research paper. Perfect way of writing something, a paragraph like that. So you must have well versed in English itself, or else you are again gone. For example, I'll tell you why I wanted this webinar. Because it will be a teaching to my students and similar students elsewhere. Being a teacher, it was my duty to teach them in a platform rather, in an audience rather, how to have good tricks and techniques for publications. So I already told you about the English language. Students who read English paper with a notebook each morning for 1 hour or half an hour morning and half an hour evening, only they can write good English. Or else, because English is not our mother tongue, so most of us who do not write good English. Convincing English. You must convince somebody. See, by writing a letter, whatever work you have done, you have to convince everybody in the whole world that your work is worth for everybody, for the whole nation, for the whole world itself. So you have to show that by writing only. You may write one full sentence which is grammatically no error, but how to join each sentence in a paragraph? There is a trick also. Joining many sentences in a paragraph. A paragraph will be speaking one concept. So you must practice that. Without practice, nothing can be achieved in this world. Here also in scientific writing. So my deliberation here is that this webinar could help all younger and older colleagues and students. Let me tell you now about what is a research paper. What is a research paper? It may be a full-length paper. It may be a short communication. Okay, I'll tell each of them. What is a full-length paper? Full-length paper in print version cannot be 10-12 pages, more than 10-12 pages. The editor will not accept your paper unless your deliberation writing is within 10-12 printed pages. If 7 typed pages can give only 2 printed pages. I've seen that my 7 typed pages give me 2 printed pages, apart from the figures and tables. Figures, tables, and writing, references, everything. The title page, abstract, everything must not be more than 10-12 pages. If it is harder, then it may be 13 or 14. It depends on the editor, like that. So that is a full-length paper. What we do in the full-length paper? I start with introduction, not abstract. First one is the title, then the author names, then affiliations. This is I do not tell you. I do not tell now the abstract. I tell you direct to the introduction. Introduction must be very cozy, good to read. It must have flamboyant English. It must have convincing English. Why you started this paper writing? Then you will tell that this work is a gap. So I wanted to work on this. How did a gap? Then you tell. So in the full-length paper, in first 2-3 sentences, you introduce your problem. Which problem you are undertaking. Then in next 3, 4, 5, 7, even 8 sentences, you go on to speaking, what is the problem in this area? So what is not done? So you show, SHOW, so what is not done? Therefore, I have started like this. I hope that you don't write hope. Huh? We imagine that this could serve this way. That is the way of writing an introduction of a full-length paper. It may be 3, 4 paragraphs, never mind, even 5 paragraphs. If more of a review literature is there, you can keep a review literature there itself in the introduction itself. We have published a gynec paper, but we have also like that. We have kept review literature inside the introduction. Then last page of the last paragraph of the last 2-3 sentences of the introduction should have what benefit will be there to the reader or to the worker in this slide. I told you the business of all business is a business only. The aim of all business is profit only. What profit the reader has, so that he will read your paper, he or she will read your paper. You have to show what paper means for a new worker. Next review, I left it for the short communication. Is short. Everything do in a short. Now we'll talk about the review papers. Review papers, as you see, are full reviews, mini reviews, and overviews. Full review means little broad subject, not very broad. Very broad means it will be a book again. If you choose a very broad subject, it will be a book. You can't do it. For a review paper, you must have a case-to-like idea and keep it. And what work are done by everybody. You have to show, and you have to correlate. Suppose this work is done, bracket reference. This work is done, bracket reference. This work is done, bracket reference. Then if you have cited 3 works, then you have to give your conclusion in the 4th sentence. Probably most people do not do this. I repeat, when you go for review literature, you are referring others' work in your work. In form of sentence, then 1, 2, 3, 4 references. Like the 2, 3, 5 sentences when you write, maybe minimum 3, 5, 10 references there. Then you give your conclusion. Those 5 sentences you've written on others' work, what is your conclusion? Most people forget to write the conclusion there. That is the defect. So mini review means what? Again, smaller one. Then overview is still smaller ones. Overview is a comment. Overview is a comment like paper. A comment. Again, very small concept you take and do a concept. Next. Now new findings. We speak of case reports. Case reports are published in every subject. More often in medical subject, and we published from this medical college. Case reports. What is new? What is new you have to see. That means how to do a case report. What was the condition of the patient? For example, I speak in medical sciences. What was the condition of the patient? What the clinician attempted? What benefit he got? And the pictures or tables which are ancillary to that. That will be included in the case reports. Next. So, whatever you write or I write may not be published. And that must be published well in good journals which are listed by Science Citation Index. Science Citation Index, SCI. And it is also an expanded version. So I've written here Science Citation Expanded. And another indexing site has come, Web of Science. And Scopus, all of you know about Scopus. So unless your work is of a peer review, well, suppose you go out of your home, what to do? You stand for 1 or 2 or 5 minutes before the mirror, see what is the problem in your face or chart, like this. So you check it, like that you have to check. Whatever you have written, you have to think against it so that you can know about it. What is the defect? Defect is more important than the benefits there, because it is the defect that will be making your paper knocked out, not to be published. But because it has merit, you have attempted writing and you have gone up to this. So you have to, after writing the whole paper or whole paragraph or a group of paragraphs in introduction like this, and then you have to think about what is defect. And like that, then comes the, I told you about introduction only. We also can talk of the materials method. What materials you have taken? What are the materials? Suppose I am a blue-green algologist. I take blue-green algae. A doctor takes a human patient's one disease, like that. If you are an agriculture scientist, you take the plant or the animal, the material, then methods. There must be some connected link between materials and methods. Without connected link, you cannot write any paper well. Okay. Next.
Respected Rabindra sir, sorry to interrupt you. I have one question here in this slide. Should I ask now or after the session?
No, you can ask. You can ask me now. When you come.
Okay. So, sir, about when we select journal, we see whether that journal is abstracted and indexed in Web of Science and Scopus. So, what exactly it means, abstracted and indexed?
I will tell you. If your work is of high standard, if your work is high standard, your presentation is high standard, and what to raise the problems in introduction. You answer that through Mitchell's method in result and ultimately discussion level. That speaks how much good is your work. I can run, but I cannot run as Duti Chandra runs. How much good is your best? How much good is your best? That you have to decide. See, everybody wants the paper to be published in a very good journal. But is it worth? You decide. You become the editor there. You decide. So like that, wherever, suppose I didn't tell you that, I was just touching you. You raise questions in introduction, solve them in result, and discuss them in discussion. What are your problem? This is the problem. We raise the problem in introduction. How to solve it? This is what I'm doing here. I've done here. I'm describing here. These are the materials. These are the methods. Go on. Then results you got. Table and figures. Then in discussion you will speak how much good is your best work with reference to others' work. Have you added something? Then it is a good paper. It will come in Scopus. If you have not added, they will reject it. Peer review process. Actually, I've got a lot of experiences in peer review process. In 2-3 dozens of journals, I am also a reviewer. Thing is, when we communicate a paper to an editor-in-chief or managing editor, they give to 5, 7, even 9, 10 reviewers. We published a paper, Dr. Siyarsa will show you in due course, that it has been sent to 9 reviewers. And each one will comment in a positive manner, and the negative comment is to reject the paper. Sometimes journals, they've fixed their rejection percentage. Suppose one is the reviewer, editor-in-chief, he receives 100 papers per week, and like that in 5 days he will 500 papers. But he can only publish 100 papers in the issue. What to do? They tell that we have fixed. Your paper has no chance here, no space. We don't have space. I prevented for sending reviewing. So there is a site also. What is your abstract? What is your contribution? You put in the site and you know what are the best journals. So the peer reviewing process helps your work to be improved. Because as I told you, if you can criticize yourself, it is most welcome. But others will criticize you. You have to rectify that, or paper will be rejected. So my experience is that papers are being published in R2, R3, R4, R5 state. R means what? Revision 1, revision 2, revision 3, revision 5. Even after revision 5, 7, I also seen paper is rejected because they tell that no, this work has not come to the level we want. And out of scope they speak, just seeing the review, your abstract. If it is a good work, your method is good to solve a particular problem that you raised in the introduction, then they will go for reviewing, or else it won't be. So I will tell you now on good writing skill. Paragraph correlation, grammar, English add-on, graphic. I will speak first two. First is paragraph correlation. Actually, paragraph correlation, when in a paragraph, I was telling you a minute before, when you are writing a paragraph, you are writing 5-7 sentences. Each paragraph is a story. Are you able to arrange it? Each paragraph is a story. 5 paragraphs in the introduction itself is a story again. Each paragraph is a story. 5 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs in the introduction or discussion level, or each is a story. Stories are inside stories. Like that, your convincing power must be there. And paragraph correlation. First paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. In a introduction or in a discussion, it must be correlated. Grammar is the grammar. And grammar I can't tell you. It depends on your own practice in having grammar, and there are sites also available. Sometimes they are misleading, sometimes they are useful. English add-ons, ornaments. After full revision of your paper, you can add some add-ons or ornaments which will make your paper wealthy, like that. Rich. A rich man writing. What I'm telling you? Rich man writing. What is that? You are rich in English grammar. Rich in the introduction of or keeping the ornaments well. Ornaments means it cannot be more than 5-3 sentences. 5-3 words. 2, 3, 5-3 words. Even one word is an ornament. Next, third is graphical illustration. Most journals nowadays, they need graphical illustration. So that must be observed from published papers, and also that must be well organized. It will tell you the whole work, what is done, what you got. What is done, what you got with the material that you have taken. So, is there? About I will tell you the common errors. Common error is only mainly repetition. Main repetition and jumping within 2 sentences. 2 sentences must be joined well. Idea. The idea must flow. Writing sentences won't make a paper. You must be able to join 2 sentences, 3 sentences, 4, 5 to a paragraph. And each paragraph again must have some meaning. I repeatedly tell you that each paragraph is a story and 3 paragraphs of the introduction is a story. Look, stories are then stories. Like that, even in discussion also. Discussion, you are writing 5 paragraphs. Then you have to again story like. To have your story well, you must give figures even, tables even. Sometimes we give figures and tables in discussion also, if it is required. Because when you speak others' work, you are just unnecessarily you are writing much. That could be put in a table. So then letter to editor, manuscript process, letter to editor, cover letter, etc. See, letter to editor is a very short communication. It is short communication. Letter to editor or short communication means only one idea, one novel procedure with one material, maybe 1 or 2 methods. It cannot be more than 3-4 title pages. There may be a figure, there may be a table even in letter to editor, but it should not be more than 5-7 pages. 5 pages rather, while typing. Then cover letter. Cover letter is the face of the paper. See, from discussion pages, from discussion section, some sentences you copy down to cover letter and again change the language of what you copied from your discussion. From your discussion section, you copy down and again change the sentences. That means why you have done the work. What is the benefit to the reader? What is the benefit to the society? You must indicate in the cover letter itself. Maybe in 3 sentences, 4 sentences in the middle. So manuscript preparation is like this. And before that, if you have got good review of the whole field you are working, then you can have. So look, this is the paper published by us. This is Chittaranjan Sahu's paper. It is published in European Journal of Chemistry. There were probably 9 or 8 or 10 reviewers here. And each reviewer has been taken and I have answered to the question. We were answered, not I, sorry. We have answered to the question raised by the reviewers. That here you can politely differ with them also. Most thing is politeness. If you tell that you are educated man, educated person, you must be polite. You must be polite. So with politeness, you can differ with what they do. This is one paper we have. It is also good impact factor, and this is a case study, which is published by us in Genes and Diseases. See, these journals have got science citation index, then heavily reviewed, heavily seen by others in the same field, referred by the same field, by other workers. Oh, I told the positive things. Now I'll tell the negative thing. Look, even at this stage, we get our paper rejected. Even at R2 stage. Even at R2 stage also, we get rejection. No, Professor Padi, this is not suitable for journal. See elsewhere. So even we go, so don't get frustrated. Do not get frustrated when you get rejection from the editor that you have sent the paper. It is a normal walk in the life. It's a normal walk in life. We have seen, I've seen. I've been rejected by many times by many reviewers, many journals. But I published 160 papers now. Till date. Next. Post publication. When the paper is accepted, the editor will send the paper to the printer, publication division. Then they will have the printer or the publication division will ask you to fill up the license and fill up the agreement papers. We usually give license and agreement, we give actually our details. Are from UK, USA, or India, private, like this, they ask. You reply that. That's by clicking you reply. Then agreement means what? You give your copyright to them. Give your copyright of the whole paper to them. They'll publish. Before publishing, they will send us the proofs. Proofs again must be judiciously corrected. First, your name is correct or not. Suppose my name is R.N. Padhi. They have omitted Y, or they may write I, but I write Y. R.N. Padhi, Y I write. So those name and writing, the table, figure, everything must be checked by the whole author, and they give actually 48 hours. If they send by Friday, you have to send them again by Monday back. That proofs are corrected like that. Next. Now, I request Dr. Chittaranjan Sahu to demonstrate on his work. Chittaranjan Sahu.
Yes, sir. Good morning to all presenting over this webinar platform. I, Dr. Chittaranjan Sahu, wholeheartedly welcoming you in this program. Respected dignitaries, fellow colleagues, dear brother and sisters, it is very honor and pleasure for me presenting detailed techniques of quick publication. With respect to good quality journal, basically SCS, Scopus, Web of Science, UGC listed journal that will be free. So nowadays publication research are important in master's, PhD, postdoc, academia, industrial sectors. Higher education degrees in basic science is not actually worth unless you have acquired hands-on experience in your field of the interest. Undeniably, there is nothing better than a published research paper to prove your experience and skills that particular field. Some reasons of publications. So it will help enrolling, securing a good position in many reputed institution, university, organization. If you publish in well-known journals, it will prove your practical knowledge and hands-on experience, getting good position in abroad also. The work that you have done and the skills that you claim can only be proved by documentation like research papers. Help in scientific writing. The more you read, write, the more fluent you become. You may be excellent in communication and must have good control your language, but scientific writing is totally different areas. The way you present and document your hard work and all the data you have collected, very important criteria for journal. Indeed, publishing research paper will enhance your skill and scientific writing. In short, having a research paper in leading journal highlights your CV above others. The earlier you begin, the more you have to offer. Utilize your time, focus building a stronger of your resume. So there are several categories of research article, as already Professor Arun Patisar shared on details. So the revision rejected, accepted. So in accepted, enjoy it together your co-authors. But after 1 or 2 days or nights, the joy is over. Don't panic. Your keyboard is waiting for the next enjoyable papers. So the starting for authors, submission of manuscript, editor associated, reviewer 1-2, comments, recommendations, then revise, accepted, and declines. So these are the some journals, publishing houses. Some of are open access, some are hybrid, some are subscription. Both open access plus hybrid mode is called as, and subscription mode is different categories. Open access are you have to pay article processing charges, and subscription mode we have not paid anything. And these combination are called as hybrid mode. So Elsevier is a leading publishing house, followed by Nature is among all is the leading. Also Springer Nature, Springer, Bentham Science, Willis, Clausen, Taylor and Francis, and MDPI. So Scopus is most authentication site for searching your which will be suitable your journals. Is it Scopus index or it is not Scopus index? So you have to search in its web page only. So don't rely on any other sources because it's only source you can visit the homepage of Scopus web server or Scopus homepage. You can search, add your title, journal title, like these things. So whether it is indexed with Scopus or not, you can check it. It's on homepage of the Scopus database. Like this journal have been searched in European Journal of Medicinal Chemistry in 1974 towards it is in present of Scopus indexed. So similarly, Web of Science is most trusted nowadays for using those are granting from various agencies, DBT, CSIR, ICMR, or any other national funding agencies. So Web of Science is a parameter, and that parameter they are evaluating the grant of the projects. So you can source, you can redirect to its web page directly of particular journals. Here I inlined environmental science pollution research. So similarly, you can redirect any page. Suppose here I have inlined in European Journal of Medicinal Chemistry. So you can see its impact factor, how much impact factor, and acceptance rate of acceptance, and how much time it will take for the publication. Generally, it will take it is clearly visualized. This year, all the papers are revised this homepage, and it's more visualized and more clear and more transparency. So how much review time also take? 3.8 weeks. And publication time, if I have already told, open access plus subscription. This is called as hybrid mode. And this hybrid mode is we can use subscription mode. In subscription mode, we have not to pay any amounts. So if open access, if you choose, then we have to pay $4,150. So top reader of US, India, like so difference between
Chittaranjan sir, if we choose hybrid mode, we need to pay the charges, APC charges.
Not this is a combination. Open access plus subscription is called as a hybrid. If you choose open access, then we have to pay $4,150.
Okay.
If you choose subscription, then we have not to pay any amount.
Okay.
But
Sir,
some journals
in this slide only, here it is written with this journal indexed in 10 international databases. So what it means, sir?
Okay. I'll show next slide. Next slide it will be there. Don't worry, sir.
Okay.
Please. So in some journals, sir, there is no subscription mode. So you have to only, if you select this journal, you have to only pay the amount of $1,250. Like there is no other option, and it is very careful when you choose the journals. So I will show you how to choose the journals, which is subscription mode, which is the free access. So as you just few seconds ago told that the indexing. So these are the abstracting and indexing. So we basically focus on science citation index or Scopus index. Generally, the first parameter is Scopus, followed by the science citation index. So all these are indexes are required, but in our academia or industrial or future scope, it will be only for considered as a science citation index. So science citation index or expanded is only difference is it is coming on a printed version. If science citation expanded, it is coming on web version. So there is same thing, science citation index and science citation index expanded. So I have that earlier that was Science Direct based Elsevier publishing house, but it is on Springer publishing house. So a little bit difference its web page. So it's also clearly detect all the indexed because Elsevier has not been indexed all the details because due to some web page issue. So but Springer developed this web page like such a way each and every index add particularly. So here also, as per our Indian category UGC guideline, UGC are also it mentioned, but those are Scopus, those are SCI index. Generally, these are UGC care listed journal for Indian category. So how to search your paper, which is if you are beginner or if you don't know which journal to submit or how to submit, where journal, which journal is the best for my work. So in Elsevier there is a journal finder. You can put your abstract title or manuscript title, your paper or abstract, then keywords, then discipline. So you can blindly got several screens like this. You can use your titles, your manuscript titles, abstracts and keywords, then field of research, then you find the journal, click on the find the journal, then you will got the result. Lots of journal will come, site score, impact factor, acceptance rate, and time to decision, time to publication. All the journal will come serially. So you will be happily to screen which journal is fit for your manuscript. So similarly, Springer also developed another Springer journal suggester. You can put your manuscript title, manuscript text, and subject area. Then suggest journal will become automatically in Springer version. So another is Wiley. Wiley is most trusting and leading publishing house. You can put your manuscript title and manuscript abstract. It will then you click find. It will come and screen all the journals relating to Wiley publishing house. So another is most beautiful and most fantastic server, that is journal name author estimator. You cannot move any publishing house. You can directly click in Google. So in journal name author estimator, so you can put your abstract or any title. It is automatically related to your title. Lots of journals will come automatically based on your titles only. Journal name author estimator. So similarly, article drafting and processing. So already sir have described very details in all these things, but I have only aligned very few: cover letter, graphical abstract, highlights, manuscript, figures, table, supplementary files, conflict of interest, license agreement, electronic supplement, and any other which is required to publish in manuscripts. So generally, cover letter are designed with a particular such a way that the editor will be pleased with some fascinately. So like this is some template of the cover letter, what to write, how much thing is required. Are you put your abstract? Are you put your novelty of the work? Or are you put in the conclusion? So this thing is needed for those are expert in these publication areas. So graphical illustration. Nowadays, graphical illustration is very much required for the journal fast process. So those are technical persons. So they are first look the graphical things, then they are further proceed to editorial sections. So you can use graphical abstract in various way, in pictorial, in numeral, or any other whole work with some tabular. These things are now very common, but need some expertise in Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or any other page makers, you can develop in graphical abstracts, and that could be used in a type version, TIF version. So highlights. Nowadays, highlights also be very important to overall whole manuscript. You have to write in highlights part. So you very concise in this sections also. So now plagiarism and grammar is very common, and in when preparation of manuscript, already sir told about that the grammar section, and I have demonstrated only here how to perform all these things. So generally, Turnitin is most trusted for the plagiarism. iAuthenticator is now also used. eRate result beta version is now for grammar, and ProWriting aid also the Grammarly also. So how to use Turnitin and what Turnitin actually assess all these things. So you just put your email ID and a password, and then Turnitin page will come. Then you upload your manuscript in this more section option. You upload your or add assignment. You to add any other assignment you can add. So you can check here a similarity
sorry to
index.
interrupt you. Hello.
Okay.
Sir, for review articles, how much percentage of similarity is allowed in the publication process?
Review article below 5%, research article below 10%.
Achha, okay, sir. Thank you.
So you can check here the similarity percentage. Some journals we have when you validate the 0%, 4%, 10%. Generally, it's depending upon the journal criteria and guidelines. So this is the home screen of Turnitin. How journal people are using, or those are expertise in research field, they are using these servers and these softwares also. So how Turnitin visualize all this copy paste data? So here you can screen all the information sources. It will automatically come and that will be visualized. So the grammar, some common errors like comma, full stop, hyphen, and some verb, and you can only visualize. You cannot edit anything. You know only your common errors, but you cannot change here.
Excuse me, sir. I have one question, Dr. Chittaranjan sir.
Yes, please.
Myself, Amir Kumar Rai. I want to ask that Turnitin is free or it is paid version?
No. It is paid version.
Thank you, sir. Is there any free option to
No.
get all these things?
No. There is no free version or anything.
Thank you, sir.
So then communication process. Sir already told discussed about communication process. In a communication process, required cover letter, graphical abstract, highlights, manuscripts, trigger tables, supplementary files, conflict of interest, license agreement, electronic document, and any others. So in communication, generally there will be another window will come. What you learn from there, it will come in another window. So in topics in current chemistry, this is the journal submission process, and this journal submission process, and it is under editorial manager. This is controlled by EM, editorial manager, and role as author. We are submitting this journal means role as author. So it is it does not depend upon the publication houses. It depends upon its the editorial sections only. So you can submit your manuscript here. Then it will come under if the preliminary stage were not qualified, it will come author send back or incomplete submission. Then waiting for author's approval. Then after this window completed, this revision section will come. And then after a revision, if your journal is accepted or rejected, we will see here only the submission. I will show you next time.
So sorry, sir. One question. I have one question. Sorry to interrupt you, but again and again. So is this format is exactly same for every publication?
No. This server is controlled by only editorial manager. Next will some scholar one, some another version will come automatically depending upon the journal tie-up with the servers.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So in editorial manager, the home screen will come after submission of your journal. First thing is your action means you can see your all details at here, and your manuscript number here, and your title of the journal, and initial date of submission when you submitted your journal, and status date. The first status date is since editor assigned on 3rd September 2020. The editor was assigned 12th September 2020, just 9 days after. So there is after editor assigned, there followed by the under review, peer reviewed, reviewer one, reviewer consulted confirmation letter, then accepted or rejected. So, like this is the another editorial manager section. So, bit difference, which is a submission with a decision. We have also 6 decisions because frequently we have submitted in European Journal of Medicinal Chemistry, which is most publishing house in medicinal chemistry. So, we will look like this. After rejection, you will look reject. Then if accept, it will accept. So this thing will become automatically. And 2018 reject, 2020 also reject, 2020 again reject, 2020 reject, and 2019 accept, 2018 accept. So we're never frustrated whether it will be reject, whether it will be accept. We just do our duty only, and we have to show our work only. So it was a 6.23 I think impact. So Arabian Journal of Chemistry, same editorial manager home screen. So as per your question, earlier question, it is controlled by ScholarOne manuscript, and it is a bioprocess biosystem engineering. Slide bit changes its home page, and it's coming on that author. In the author, if you click, and then you will got all these things. And the reviewer, if you have invited in reviewer, you will see all this detail in here. So in ScholarOne manuscript, it's looking like it little different. It's off page or home page, and this thing will become automatically. And most recent emails also you can visit, and you can get these things. So now most very common practice, those are beginner in joining with PhD and some master degrees or any other, those are professor, not required any scholars, and they are continue to own work like review papers of letter to editor. They can manage its own reference in very few minutes and not few hours. In very few minutes, they can manage their references. And most hectic job is reference. To formatting the reference is most hectic job among all this work. So generally we will see Google Scholar for reference use. Cite this for me, Mendeley, and this is the web server based. This is the software based. And
which
this is the
sorry sir, which one is the best and you are using among all those things? Which one is
among all the EndNote is the best, which it is a paid version, and it is the free version software. It is the paid version software, and these are the server based.
Okay.
Google Scholar is server based. Cite this for me the server based. Mendeley is the free, and EndNote is the paid version. And these two softwares, these servers for citations and references.
Among these three free versions, means among this Google and the site this for me and Mendeley, which one you feel that it is best and we can manage it easily, so that it will be very helpful for us?
If you follow the journal Vancouver style, we'll Google Scholar. If you require any other format, we will follow Mendeley. If any other higher end journals, we follow the EndNotes. So we have multiple options and multiple flavors with us.
Thank you.
Then how to perform the Google Scholar, how to extract its citation. So just click on in Google Scholar. Then automatically Google Scholar, you will see, type here any journal name or any author name, it will come automatically like this. Thing will be journal will come. So you can redirect its HTML homepage, or you can click this site for me. Just click this site for me. I'll look you this site for me. It will come under MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. All this format will come. You can see here Arabian Journal of Chemistry like italic, and it's called here is here. So it's different. So Vancouver, we generally prefer Vancouver for all these journals. Then followed by we will text and we will back text EndNote reference manager. We can also plug in also all these things. So it's very authentication and most trusted, and it's very familiar with Google Scholar. Nowadays those are really resources in this area. So you can copy and paste your separately Microsoft Word. So similarly, site for this is also another most web server based. Harvard, APA, MLA references generator. You can type site for me. You can earlier you cannot generate a DOI number, digital object identification. Nowadays, particular, so we have some Aadhaar cards. That is our digital ID number. So each journal have DOI number. That is digital object identification. So here you cannot get any DOI numbers. So any DOI number you can get generate only here. Cite this for me, Harvard's APA MLA format reference generator. So the abbreviation of MLA is Modern Language Association, APA from American Psychological Association. These are the most oldest pattern of reference styles. So you can choose your bibliography, add your reference. You can choose any journal directly or name or author. You can get your all details, and you can direct download the all reference in a sequential manner. So like you can search according to your journal which you already screened. So you can put any journal, automatically it will be reformat or redirected. You can download like doc format or RPF format. So now it was already two things are server based. Now Mendeley is coming for software based. So Mendeley is module 1. So you have to download Mendeley from desktop version. So after desktop version, you can use Mendeley for Mac or Linux or any other Windows version. So I am generally for my share my window, and this is my window version. So you can install and download. So like here, Mendeley symbol will become. So you can see here. So after looking, you can add the journal. It will become like this. This is offline window. When you work with your offline mode, this thing will not come. Very silly things. This thing will not come. When you add in online with internet, it will come like these things. You can register with Mendeley. So add files, add folders, watch folders, add enter manually. You have several options. You can do these things. So directly use your plugins. That plugins will be from Microsoft Word. So generally we will type in Microsoft Word only basically. So in Microsoft Word, in reference section, after plugin, instead of the plugin, this window will become. This pop-up window will come. Only this is the MS Word. This pop-up window will come. So we choose here Chicago manual. Style is Chicago manual. So we can change that here also. So we search by author, we search by title, or search by library. So each of the reference or citation we can put automatically after adding up citation, automatically reference will be redirected in reference section. It's very most and beautiful thing. And thank you. Because this section is very novelty section, we want to welcome you one-to-one meet because it's not time to detect everything in a single platform and touching each section. So reference, manuscript preparation, cover letter design, and what to write in review letter, how to sketch out in review letter, what to do. So this thing is required for one-to-one communication. So this is all very basics. So if any required, we are welcome to our Central Research Laboratory. You can visit once. Shiksha Anusandhan DMTV University, Central Research Laboratory, Institute of Medical Science and some hospital. So this thing will be learn more details. If any doubt, you may raise your questions, or we will chat with our chat box or through email. You can come and visit Central Research Laboratory, Institute of Medical Science and some hospital, Shiksha Anusandhan DMTV University. Our beloved Professor Rabindranath Padhi sir and me always with this institute, and we will be help you in future if any required or any kind of support. And we are happily our Professor Arun Padhi sir have crossed more than 300 SCI impact and Scopus. So
thank you, sir.
Feathering cap with his, I have crossed 85 impacts. So by his kind supports.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Chittaranjan Sahu, for your presentation. Now the whole topic is open for discussion.
Yes, sir.
Anybody can ask.
I have questions, sir, to Dr. Chittaranjan Sahu, sir. Sir, initially I will say thank you so much for such a wonderful presentation. I have question related to graphical abstract for images specifically. How to sketch good quality images in the graphical abstract. Any software you will suggest here?
Yes. The software is the Adobe Illustration and Photoshop. These two software you will get, and if you have Corel facility and you learn the Corel, you can generate these pictures also.
Okay, sir. Which two softwares you told?
Adobe Illustrator.
Okay. I'm not getting it correctly.
Okay,
Can you drop in the chat box?
you put a mail and we will share all the details. Adobe Illustrator, another Photoshop.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Sir, Namaskar.
Namaste.
Sir, I am Peterson Berer from IIM Somerset. Sir, my question is, sir, what is the difference between the open access and the subscription?
So open access generally charging article processing fees, and you have to pay. Then in this journal section, there is a big team, pagination team, editorial team, reviewer teams. So they require some amount for their continuity there of these sections. So these charges is required, and if you have seen already some subscription or downloading some charges. If you download any article, you see that there is some amounts required. So based on they have separated these things. Those are open access, you can download freely. You have not to pay anything. Those are subscription, we have to pay this amount for download this article. So in subscription mode, you don't pay anything. There is option, but you don't choose these things because we belong to India, and we have not that much of amount for research, so we cannot pay all this from publication charges like $3,000, $4,000.
Sir, you have shown in a slide that there is an option for open access and subscription on both. Then can we go for only subscription?
Yes. This thing. So this thing is both open access and subscription. Means
Yes,
there are two options. You can choose open, but another journal is only open access. But you have to pay. You have to pay. But this journal is optional. If you wish, you may pay,
So here,
but you may not pay. Choose carefully.
yes, sir.
When you choose your journal, it's very critical things. After a publication, there will be some international issues.
So if you're paying something, that means they're giving the benefit for you.
Not benefit. This is their internal charges. Not paying. If you have some funds, resource funds, you can pay. Then if your
Thank you, sir.
journal is open access,
Thank you, sir.
No question anymore.
Good morning, sir.
Please. Huh? Go on.
Sir, I'm Shweta Mishra. Can I please ask the question?
Okay.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that in your presentation, you have stated that under the review article, we need to write after mentioning the 2 or 3 references, we need to mention what we are concluding from their paper. And also, Chittaranjan sir has also already mentioned in his presentation that the plagiarism in the review paper should be below 5%. So I just wanted to ask that in the review paper, whatever information we have gathered on that specific topic after doing the literature review, after going through so many papers on that specific topic, whatever knowledge we have accompanied from all that review papers or the research papers, we try to write that in a review paper. So what extra information should we communicate in our review paper in order to get it published? Because I have personally submitted a paper in the expert opinion journal, and that paper got rejected, stating that content is not new. Means there was plagiarism was I think 3 to 4%, but they have stated that the content is not new. So in that case, what should I do?
See, each paragraph you have, from each paragraph you get its own conclusion. Those conclusions, imagine, they give one more paragraph, that is a new conclusion. See, whatever you've read it in the subject, what is the meaning for everybody from your reading? That is new. You have to prove it.
Okay.
You follow me or not?
Yeah.
You have to prove it. What is new? Why you repeat this? What is new? Unless the new editors, the reviewers, They don't suggest publication. They reject it in the same ground we are telling. Nothing new, we reject it. You have to show the novelty there.
Okay.
See, if 5 people work, what is the conclusion there in that line? Why 5 people have published 5 papers? What is your comment in 1 sentence, 2 sentences on those 5 people? Right? Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma. Anybody more? Anybody more to Dr. C.R. Sahu or me can ask questions?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. This is Kundan from EC Department ITR.
Okay.
Sir, I have faced one issue while communicating the paper or while writing the paper. Actually, in most of the journals, the criteria is that 40% of the citation should be from the last 5 years, right? So,
Okay.
So when I write the paper, I find that even the papers which is before the 5 years actually, so those are very good actually to cite, and so in that way actually it increased the number of citations. So for that actually I need to just reduce the few citation which is really very good, which is before 5 years actually. So because I have to cover the 40% of the citation from the last 5 years. So, so what is the solution for that actually? That means how to handle the number of citations and the 40% from the last 5 years. That means it should fulfill the criteria of the journal. So how to handle that?
My conclusion to my answer to your question is
Yes, sir.
that whatever we read, we cited in the review paper, that must give a educative conclusion. And very old papers cannot give. So new papers, after 5-3 years, they might have used new versions of methods, new methods. What more they have achieved? What is the status of this subject? Dr. C.R. Sahu, please explain him.
Sir, please one second question, sir, please.
Actually, sir, the most of the journals, they give the criteria that the 40% of the total citation should be from the last 5 years.
Yes.
Not before that actually.
Okay.
So if so in that case, what happens actually, there are very good papers actually which is before 5 years actually. Okay, so I have gone through that and I want to cite that paper as well. Okay, and but in last 5 years there are not very good publications, or we can say that so that I'm lagging that 40% of citation from last 5 years. I'm not able to complete that actually. That means so actually there should be some balance between the last 5 years and before 5 years, right? Are you getting my question?
No,
Yes.
no, I am not getting your question. Just I just stress your question, and you know the citation issues.
Dr.
Just I'm giving you one example, sir.
Dr. Kundan Kumar, that I'm telling you, 5 is not 5. 5 may be 6, 7. See, if you go 1 or 2 years earlier, it never matters. But you must have some meaningful conclusion. Would you follow me?
Yes, yes,
Sir,
yes.
I think your question is, sir, your question is, I think,
Don't stick to 5 years only. You can use 6 years. But the older year must have some good paper to on which you can conclude the subject there.
Yes, 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 sir.
Could you follow me?
Yes, 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 sir.
5 is not 5. 5 may be 7. But subject must be koji, must be unique, must be well, it must be well conclusive. Conclusive.
Yes, yes.
Conclusive reports, conclusive reviews are only will be published.
Actually, sir, some journal was there. Actually, I have communicated earlier. What happened actually, in last 5 years, there was not a plenty of publications in that domain, and you can say that, sir, there was not very good journals in last 5 years. So suppose the 10 papers I have just cited from last 5 years, but actually the 30 papers was from before 5 years actually. So there was imbalance.
Dr. Kundan Kumar, Dr. Kundan Kumar, I'm telling you repeatedly, why do you stick to the 5? Your subject must be meaningful. Whatever paper you write, that must have a conclusive report. Right,
yes, yes, totally. I got the comment in that. Yes.
Take 7
Yes,
years, no problem. 7 years work may be considered, but it must have some meaningful conclusion.
meaningful. Yes, right. Yes.
Your
Yes.
work must have some meaning, not putting some ideas together in a paragraph or in many paragraphs as a paper. Your conclusion must be meaningful. That's the what. You go 7 years.
Yes.
good.
Yes.
You cannot, definitely.
So next,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
any question, please?
Hello, sir. So this is Jitendra Kumar Behera. Sir, I would like to ask a question to Dr. Chittaranjan, sir. Sir, what is a predatory journal? That means how could we identify whether a journal is predatory or not? And what is the benefit of this predatory journal?
In predatory, you will not get any benefit. Earlier, I have shown you that as per our requirement, Scopus, SCI, and Web of Science. So we will look only 3 things and omitting all these things. We look only here. You just search in Scopus database which journal you wish to publish. You just put these things and get the result. Whether it is Scopus, whether it is Web of Science, or if you want particularly journal index, you can visit its particular index.
Okay, sir.
So thousands of publishing houses nowadays developed. So what to do? Like software develops, some viruses also develop. Like journal good publishing journals also develop, some bad also develop side by side. But we have to screen. We have to screen. What to do? We have to
One
screen
thing,
actually.
one thing I can speak, Dr. Sahu. Even from United States, I get requests for papers of predatory journals. They request me, sir, give me a paper and we have no APC for you. For me, there is no APC. They tell it. Well, when there is APC, I will not publish. When there is APC in the journal, even if you waive out for me, even there also I don't publish. Because there might be some legalistic work to be published. See, publication is not a credit, it is discredit also. If you publish bad papers, you are a bad scientist. You are a bad researcher. You cannot judge a scientist with only publications. Then Scopus, SCI, why they speak like this? If you publish in some journal without any citation index, famous index, it is not a publication. And if you give money, it is not a publication. Even the journal is taking money, but from you it is not taking money, then also it is not a publication. Throw it. What is the value of publishing such papers? When our society will not be benefited. They are called publicity journals. And this cry, we have large number of papers, have instigated many unreal scientists to publish in plagiaristic journals or in proprietary journals. So it is not a publication at all. Better don't do bad work, only do some good work. You cannot judge a man from things done by him, but things undone by him. If the man has done some bad work, it must be considered and must be condemned. That man might have done some good work. Who don't carry it? That is my
Please.
that usual style. Finish.
Next question.
Don't publish bad papers. Don't publish.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Next. Next. Any questions, any comment, any suggestion, please, or we will close this section. So I once again request. Any question, any suggestion,
Or any request.
or
Or
any
any
request?
request. Everything is welcome by Dr. C.R. Sahu.
Yes, sir. Okay, we will share the slides after completion on personal request.
Then we'll close it, Dr. Sahu.
Yes, sir. Thank you all for your kind attention and patience. Now the section is over. Sir, kindly once again allow the section is.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now
Thanks a
the
lot.
section is over.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
In short period of time, you both discussed